This week's Tech Tip of the Week, I'm going to cover two things. The first is more of a troubleshooting item. People come to me and they say, all of these tab buttons on the left have disappeared. They're selecting the main menu view. If you would like to change the main menu view, you can like this, and then when you hover over it, they'll expand. But if you like the original look of Gmail, you need to switch it back so you have that view right there. The other one I'd like to show you is the Tasks button. Now this is a new feature, and when you click Tasks, it allows you to add tasks over here. So you might something like call grandma, finish math, and turn in permission slip. Now when you close that, it's going to save those tasks for you, and when you open it up and resolve the tasks that you've done it, they disappear right from your list. So it's just another way to be organized and set yourself up with the task list to complete. Give it a try.